My name is Monica Salazar. I am an attorney practicing in the area of immigration law. Our firm has been practicing exclusively in immigration law for over 10 years. Personally, I have been an attorney practicing immigration law for the last 18 years. What makes us different in the area of immigration law, and me personally, is that immigration law is part of my own story. It is the story of my family and of every other individual in my personal life. And so I understand without being told what the needs and the desires are of our families, particularly in our immigrant communities. Our families are concerned with being separated. Our families are concerned with the opportunities that they are not able to have because they lack proper documentation. And so what makes us different is our unique understanding of the immigrant plight, because we come from that background. I personally come from that background. Our staff is all Latino. All of our staff comes from an immigrant background. Everyone here is bilingual in English and Spanish, and that allows us to understand our clients and to understand their language, but also their culture, their histories, their struggles, and their needs for the future. The advice I would give to a potential client is to not make assumptions, to understand that every case is different, every case is unique, and often a detail, a date, or someone's actions or inactions can lead to a different outcome. And so it's always important that a case be analyzed thoroughly as to the history of the individual, but also the history of that family, because sometimes we find options in evaluating and understanding the entire history of the individual and the family. What motivates me personally to practice immigration law is the story of my origins. My father was killed by a drunk driver when I was 10 years old, and I have a clear memory of him checking the mail every day, hoping and waiting for his legal permanent residency card to come in the mail. Sadly, that card came only a few days after he was buried. I never forget that, and I know that every time I'm able to help a family stay together and hand them that much precious document, a green card, that in some way I am doing it for him.